Good morning children. This is 3rd standard English class. Block 15 compound sentences. So our today's topic is conjunctions and but or. Okay. So what is a conjunction? A conjunction means nothing but a joining word. It connects the words or group of words or short sentences. So today the three conjunctions we are going to look are and, but or. So when do we use the conjunction and? We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. See for example, this Friday is a holiday. I would like to go outside. This Friday is a holiday. I would like to go outside. So how do we use here and? This Friday is a holiday. Here comma and I would like to go outside. See, before the conjunction we have to write comma. This Friday is a holiday. See, I am adding more information. I am adding the information. And I would like to go outside. Tom loves to play cricket. Tom loves to play football. Tom loves to play cricket, comma, and football. See here the similar idea. Cricket, he loves to play cricket and he loves to play football. See, both are similar ideas. So Tom, what is the answer children? Tom loves to play cricket, comma, and football. See, the birds can fly. The birds can hop. The birds can fly. The birds can hop. Here how do we use and? The birds can fly, comma, and can hop. See, we are adding more information. We are adding the information. The birds can fly, comma, and can hop. Now we'll see when do we use but. Now but. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So when do we use but? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. See, let's see the examples. The dog barked. We did not hear anything. The dog barked. We did not hear anything. So how do we use but there? The dog barked, comma, but we did not hear anything. The dog barked, comma, but we did not hear anything. So like this, see, we are showing the difference or the opposite idea. He hit the ball. He dropped the bat. He hit the ball. He dropped the bat. He hit the ball, but what happened? He dropped the bat. Suddenly he dropped the bat. See, this is also the difference. He hit the ball, comma, but he dropped the bat. Now see the third one. It was sunny day. The wind was cold. What is the answer children? It was sunny day, comma, but the wind was cold. See, sunny means what? It is very hot. But it was a hot day then also, but the wind was cold. Like this we have to use but. Now we will see when do we use the conjunction or. Now or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. See children, do you remember when you were in school? So sometimes I used to ask you, children, do you want to write or you want to go for games? So immediately we'll all tell, no teacher, we want games. So that is the choice I am giving you. So that time we have to use or. See for example, we can eat pizza. We can eat burger. So how do we use or? We can eat pizza or we can eat burger. Any one we can eat children. You can go by plane. Full stop. You can go by ship. So how do we use or here? You can go by plane, comma, or you can go by ship. So like this choice is there. If there is choice, we have to use the conjunction or. I hope you all understood how to use conjunctions and, but, or. Now children, what we are going to do is, they have given a small paragraph in our workbooks. So now we are going to read the paragraph and rewrite it by using the conjunctions. Okay, and where we have to rewrite it? In your notebooks. So open your English workbooks. S2 conjunctions and, but, or. Write today's date. What is today's date? 14-12-2020. Read the paragraph carefully. Use the joining words and, but, or to join some sentences in a way that makes sense. Rewrite the paragraph in your notebook. So this para we are going to write in your classwork. So before writing this paragraph, first we have to write grammar guide. Open your English classworks, fresh page, block 15. Write today's date 14-12-2020. Draw the double margin. Compound sentences. Here conjunctions. So this conjunctions is there in our grammar guide. Where is that grammar guide? Backside of the workbook. So open page number 47. See here. Conjunctions. This one we are going to write in our classworks. I have written and I am showing you, children. Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, comma, verbs, comma, adjectives or sentences together. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, comma, but and or. Now here leave one line. The conjunction and is used when two sentences are related to each other. Example, my friend came, I saw her. So these are the sentences we are going to write the sentence by using and. My friend came, comma, and I saw her. So this is the answer, children. Like this you have to write. After the question, next line you have to write the answer, means example. Now next line. The conjunction but, underline it. But is used to join together sentences that say opposite things. The conjunction but is used to join together sentences that say opposite things. Example, she went to his house. I didn't go with her. She went to his house. I didn't go with her. So what is the answer? She went to his house, comma, but I didn't go with her. Okay, now here I don't have place, that's why I am writing in the next page. See, children, when you are writing, give finger space and write properly. Don't write any mistakes. The conjunction or is used to join sentences that give different choices. The conjunction or, underline it, is used to join sentences that give different choices. We can eat ice cream, full stop. We can drink juice, full stop. So these two sentences we are going to join. We can eat ice cream or we can drink juice. Okay, children, this is the grammar. Now after that, leave one line. Draw a line with red color pencil. As I told you here, page number 36 in workbook, we have one paragraph. So that paragraph we are going to rewrite it by using the conjunctions. Here first I am reading the paragraph from the workbook. Akash was going out of town. He packed his bag. The bag wouldn't close. He could use a bigger bag. He could take fewer clothes. Akash decided to use a bigger bag. He went to the railway station. The train had already left. He went to the bus stop. He asked where he could buy a ticket. He found the ticket counter. There was a long queue for the tickets. He waited in the queue. Finally, he bought a ticket. He went into the bus. He saw two empty seats. He could sit at the window. He could sit on the last seat. So now we are going to rewrite the paragraph by using the conjunctions. Okay, how in a way that makes sense. Okay, here write like this, page number 36, workbook. Leave one line. Akash was going out of town, full stop. He packed his bag, comma, but the bag wouldn't close. See here children, I used red color pencil. So for comma and the conjunction you have to use red color pencil. So here if you observe, he packed his bag, but the bag wouldn't close. See here, opposite things. Full stop. He could use a bigger bag, comma, or he could take a fewer clothes. Here see, comma and R you have to write with red color pencil. He could take a fewer clothes. Akash decided to use a bigger bag. Full stop. He went to the railway station, but the train had already left. So what happened? He went to the railway station, but what happened? The train had already left. So he went to the bus stop, comma, and asked where he could buy a ticket. Full stop. He found the ticket counter, comma, but there was a long queue for the tickets. He waited in the queue and finally he bought a ticket. He went into the bus and he saw 2 empty seats. He could sit at the window or he could sit on the last seat. Okay children, like this we have written the paragraph by using the conjunctions. Now tell me children, what kind of sentences was the paragraph made up of at first? You know, the paragraph was made up of simple sentences and they are short sentences. So when do we use and? See here. When do we use and children? We use and to join the sentences together and which are related. See here also. He went to the bus stop and asked where he could buy a ticket. These 2 sentences are related here. And see, if you observe here also, he waited in the queue and finally he bought a ticket. So when we use and when 2 sentences are simply to be joined together and also they are related to each other. When do we use but? We use but to join sentences saying opposite things. See here, opposite. Where is the opposite? He packed his bag, but the bag wouldn't close. Here, opposite. And here also, he went to the railway station. But what happened? But the train had already left. So, when opposite things are there, we have to use but. Or means, when we have choice. See, he could sit at the window or he could sit on the last seat. Now, how did we decide which sentences to join together? We joined together sentences which sounded too short and could be made better by joining them with another sentence using and, but or. Joining the sentences made the paragraph sound better while reading. See children, when I read this paragraph, they are very short sentences. Akash was going out of town. He packed his bag. Like this, short sentences. But after joining the sentences, we feel that the paragraph sounds better. Okay, children? Now, again, take out your workbooks. We are going to complete the second question. Combine the simple sentences using the correct conjunction and or but or are. I want to go to school. I am feeling too unwell. Here which conjunction will come? But. I want to go to school, comma, but what happened? I am feeling too unwell. Second one. You can make a bigger poster. You can make a little clay statue. Here choice is there, bigger poster or clay statue. So which conjunction will come? Or. You can make a big poster or can make a little clay statue. The rabbit went under the fence. The wolf could not follow it. Here see the two sentences are related to each other. The rabbit went under the fence and the wolf could not follow it. The rabbit went under the fence, comma, sorry here also, and the wolf could not follow it. D1. She likes fruits. She doesn't like vegetables. She likes fruits, comma, but here see opposite. She doesn't like vegetables. E-bit. Kavita sang my favorite song. Sid played the guitar. Here these two sentences are related to each other. So and will come. Kavita sang my favorite song, comma, and Sid played the guitar. Okay children? See that? Is it clear? Don't write mistakes. Complete the workbook as well as the classwork. See once again, classwork. Okay children? We'll meet in the next class with our new topic, writing steps in a process. Thank you children.